Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Paring Willie. Maligayang araw sa'yo, sa iyong kapanganakan. Ako ay at ang ating batch 75 ng Dalton Academy ay nagbibigay puri at nagpaparangal sa iyong kaarawan sa araw na ito. Well, it's another milestone in your life. Huwag kang magalala kung tumatanda ka na dahil kasama mo naman kami na tumatanda. Sabi nga nila, ang pag-aaral na daw ay para kami nakaupo sa isang tumba-tumba na may ginagawa ka pero wala ka ng paroroonan. Kaya dapat magsaya ka na, Paring sa ating buhay, sa kayong buhay. Sabi nga nila ay ang kagandahan daw ng buhay ay hindi dahil masaya ka, kundi dahil mas maraming masaya dahil sa'yo. Masaya yung mga mahal sa buhay, masaya yung mga kamag-anak, masaya yung pamilya, at masaya ang mga iyong kabatsmate. Kaya dapat magsaya ka lang palagi. So, Pariwinis, muli, maligayang kaarawan. I hope that you will have another and long years to come, good health, and God bless you and your family always. Maligayang kaarawan at muli, happy birthday, Paring Willie.
Hello, Pare. Happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. May you live longer, and may you live well. So I wish you to be calm always. May you have peaceful and happy heart always. If you have any problem, just keep yourself, just pray to God that you may malalampasan mo. Hindi mo ba, Pare? Happy birthday and God bless you always.
Hello, Winnie! Happy birthday! I wish you all the good. Sana pagpalain ka pa ng ating Panginoon and more blessing to come, and see you on December 8. Ikaw ang magpapaligaya sa amin, Bats, Pogi. See you soon! Ako, Winnie! Happy 60. It's just a number. Basta ako lang, wish ko lang sa'yo good health, more years to celebrate, happy life, and sana sa December 8 makasama ka namin. Please, happy birthday. Ito ang munting alay ng mga bats mo. Makikita mo pa yung mga susunod na mga beauties ng Batch 75. Happy birthday! Bongga ng
Hello, Batch Willie. I wish you happy birthday. Happiest birthday pala. I wish you good health and happiness and more blessing. We wish to see you on Christmas. Hindi kumpleto ang Christmas pag wala ang Batch Pogi. See you December.
Engineer, cheers to 67 years. May you be blessed with good health, happiness, and every success in your life. May you continue to no. May you continue in everything you do. Take care of yourself, and because health is wealth. Once again, happy birthday. O, yun na.
Hi! Hello, happy birthday, Winnie. Kung nalulungkot ka, mag-alaga ka ng gaya nito, oh. Gaya nito. Alam ko, meron ka na rin gaya nito. Kaya, masaya siya, di ba? Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Oh. Oh.
Hi Winnie, have a wonderful birthday. I prepared a song for you, my friend, and I hope you like it. Today is your birthday, a most special day. You must be happy more than yesterday. Forget all your sorrows. It's time to rejoice. Today is your birthday, a most awaited day. You can hear the voices of your brothers and sisters singing a birthday song. Everyone is wishing a happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my friend. Happy birthday again, Pariwini. I pray to the Lord God that God will continue to bless you, to guide you, and give you a happy and healthy life. God bless.
Hello everyone, happy birthday Kuya. Wishing you all the best in your special day. I pray that God's grace and love overflow in your life. Good health, more birthdays to come. God will always protect you whatever you go, and God will always guide you whatever you do, and God will give you strength to all the trials that you have encountered now. And I hope and pray that your birthday wishes comes true. God says in Jeremiah 29 verse 11, I know the plans I have for you. I have good plans for your life. Plans to give you peace. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and the future. Again, happy birthday, Kuya. God bless you and your family. Enjoy your day. And we love you. Hop, hop. We love you. Have a great day.
Pre, good afternoon. Oh, happy birthday. So, nadagdagan na naman yung edad natin. Okay lang, no? Basta't palaging healthy. Okay, ingatan mo yung sarili mo, ha? Siyempre, marami pa rin umaasa sa'yo. So, lahat ng energy mo, so, i-reserve mo para sa mga nagmamahal sa'yo. So, isa pa, huwag mo masyadong persahin yung sarili mo kasi, alam mo naman, pag nagkakaedad na, medyo mahirap din, di ba? Anyway, palaging dasal lang, no? Kasi, siyempre, yung nasa taas, palagi tayong gagabayan. So, at saka isa pa pre, I'll take this opportunity na magpasalamat sa iyo dahil isa kang mabuting kaibigan para sa akin. Sana tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung ating pagkakaibigan, no? So, nandito lang naman din ako, no? And sana nandyan ka rin para sa akin at saka sa mga kasamahan natin. So, maraming salamat pre, happy birthday, and God bless you more, no? So, bye-bye pre, enjoy your day.
Hello, Parts. Ren, happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to celebrate and more power to you and your family. Sana magkakasama tayong uli sa lalong madaling panahon. Again, happy birthday, Parts friend, and God bless you more.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
See you on December.
Okay.
I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lola Bossing. Ingat ka palagi. We love you. Kiss. Happy birthday, Lola. God bless you. I love you. Love you, Mama. Happy birthday, Lolo. Love you. Happy birthday, Lolo. I love you.